Well, it's been 1 week, 1 week and a day. So that's my total knee replacement. There's a big name for that. I forgot what it is. Maybe I'll think of it and put it on there. Anyway, kind of going over the stuff. It's kind of expected. I'm still using a walker, which I'm actually resting my phone on. Sounds probably not too good because I'm using my phone. Don't have any of my regular equipment up here from the shop, so I ain't going down to the shop to get it down a hill with a new knee. So anyway, what's going on this week? I've gone to therapy twice. No, 3 times. I had surgery on Monday. This is the next Tuesday. So I had surgery on Monday, came home Tuesday, had my first therapy Wednesday, my second therapy Friday, which that really kicked my tail for some reason. I was so sore. And I tried to do my own exercises Saturday, and I was hurting so bad I had to start getting pain pills on a regular basis. Tried to cut back a little yesterday, during the day anyway. And then went to therapy yesterday morning. Of course, I'm going Monday, Wednesday, Friday now. I don't know what that is. There's a lot of outside noises going on. I'm on the porch. I came out here to do my walking back and forth and do a little exercising. The swelling of the knee, I just keep ice, one of those polar cube things they gave me in the surgery. I had to stretch my leg out. I just keep it on it all the time, pretty much day and night. Except when it just runs out or something, or I just get tired of my knee feeling cold. And yeah, I'm rubbing my knee. I'm probably not supposed to do that. It's aching though, like a throbbing ache. And then they've been contacting me, the hospitals and my doctor's office. Everybody's checking on me. The hospital was more just wanting surveys. Hey, how did we do? It's like, well, you were there. I don't know what to tell you. It's a huge hospital. So, as far as the regular therapy sessions are going, I'm doing okay. I got to, I had to get close to zero one direction, my leg straight out, and then back to 120 degrees. That's the goal. And Friday I was at 6 degrees, almost there, and I got up to 97 degrees in my bend backwards. And I've already noticed some things, like before my hip and my knee were replaced on this right side, I could not even reach my foot to put a sock on. I could only get within like 2 or 3 inches. Where was I? I had to pause. The truck was going down the road. Probably got enough wind noise and everything else going on right now. I don't need road noises. But anyway, I could barely reach my foot. It's like I'd get within 2 or 3 inches, and I'd have to lunge forward and get my sock just around my toes, and I'd fall back because I was like stretching everything I had in me. After my hip replacement, I could get my sock on my toes all the way, and it was still a little bit of a chore, but I could get it. And then I was doing some stretches in the bed where I sit straight up, and I got my leg out, my operation leg out on the bed straight, and the other foot is on the ground, and I have to push down, basically not on my knee, but just above my knee. I push down, trying to stretch that knee down. And it also told me to lean forward, like push my chest toward the wall, kind of a thing. Really put a stretch on it. And I was doing that, and I just reached up without thinking about it hardly. And I reached up, and I grabbed my fingers around my toes, over the top of my toes. And I thought, I ain't done that in decades. I know a lot of people can, easily grab their toes, but with a bad hip and a bad knee on one side, I couldn't even get near my toes. So that was a new revelation, I guess. But it's still pretty stiff. So yesterday, and I didn't hear what my straight out degree is. Here comes another truck. Hold on. Okay, big dump truck. So I didn't hear if I got any straighter. Therapist didn't tell me what that was, but when I went back, which really stretched hard, I got to 99 degrees, almost 100. So I gotta get to 120. Man, last 20 sounds like it's gonna be hard. Anyhow, but my legs is always so tight, all the tendons and muscles. And they said in my report that actually during the test with the test equipment attached to my knee, because they put all this alignment and test stuff on there first. They can make sure you get your legs straight and all this stuff lined up right. And to do that, they said during the test equipment they went from 0 to 120, and then after they put the final hardware in, it went from 0 to 120. So I'm glad I was knocked out for them to shove that around. But probably why my leg's so sore right now. The whole upper thigh feels like it's just one big hammered bruise. But anyway, so I do okay when I'm sleeping at night. It's not the best sleep, but I can kind of get some comfortable positions. If I lay on my side and put a pillow between my legs, if you put your knees right on top of each other, it's kind of painful. But if you kick one, like this is my bad knee, if they kick it this way or this way, so they're not right touching on each other, that helps. And then but if I take some pain meds and all that, but I can't sleep through the night. I'll wake up multiple times and try to reposition, and then if I stay up too long, then I have to go to the bathroom, and that's an ordeal because I have to unhook all the cold pack off my knee and try to get out, get up. But everything's getting a little easier. So I guess in a couple of weeks, by the end of this week, hopefully it'll be a lot better. I'm hoping. They seem to think that 2 weeks is almost like a magic number, but I'll wait to see when I get there. I've learned that from my hip. Everybody's different. Some people get a lot better in a week. Some people it takes 3 weeks. But like the doctor says, by the time you get 12 weeks out, a few months out, or something like that, I forget what he said, but just something along that line. He said we're all the same. He said everybody's about the same place. Some just get there a little quicker, some get there a little slower, but they all get there. And that's about all I think of. I go back to see the PA for my doctor on Friday, and try to do a little update after that. If you're getting this done, it just takes a while. I could put more weight on it and walk around more than I thought I could by seeing people walking around with them, the walkers. But yeah, there's still pain there you have to deal with, and stay on the meds. You don't take them take them every 4 hours, but just try to stay on the meds because that helps keep some of the pain down, so you can do your therapy, so you can keep moving. So it's just a vicious cycle. Pain meds wouldn't be so bad if they didn't just clog you up so bad. So it's like pain meds and milk and magnesia. Pain meds. Oh well. I know that's gross. So anyway, hope you all have a blessed day, and try to make some more updates as I go and progress. Talk to you later. Bye-bye now.